To download applications in iPhone 17, 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, first of all navigate to App Store right here. If you are unable to find App Store, just search in App Library, tap on App Store, and here at the bottom you will see small search icon. Tap on that and you will see search bar. Tap on the search bar and enter the name of application you want to download. Then tap on the search icon and here you will see the application. Just tap on the icon of the application you want to download and then tap on get. And here it is asking for iCloud password. Tap on install and here enter your iCloud password. After entering your password, tap on confirm and your downloading will be begin shortly. It is asking if you want the App Store to remember your password, so it is totally up to you. I am tapping on always require and here you can see download has been begun. Once the installation is complete, you can find the app on home screen and also in the app library right here. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, make sure to subscribe.